Hi. He laughed. Why did you laugh?
Why? I did not laugh, sir.
You did.
No.
When he was doing.
So I was doing acting.
My goodness, very serious. Look at me.
No, sir.
Guys, you are very serious. Wow, I want like this, guys. So now I should call them, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody! Please stand up here. Please stand up here. Oh! Out of the game.
Look at me.
No, now you can laugh actually, Nora. Who was already laughing? Mr. Priya? So today's activity is not to laugh. Okay? So the person who will come from here to make you laugh, he can laugh. Or maybe along with performer, there may be other performers too. You can come with 2 or 3 people as well. So 2-3 people, they can laugh, but the whole group cannot laugh. Okay. If anybody laughs, he will go out of this auditorium. Those, like in your group, these many people are standing. If you are no more in the last, your whole group will be outside, and the next activity that we will perform, only winners can perform. All right? You guys are very serious. Laugh, guys, laugh. Laugh, guys. Ah. You laugh, right?
It's not going competition.
Competition has been started. Okay, fine. Let me invite from here. Make them laugh. Who wants to come? Alone or with somebody you want to come? Somebody. Okay, Arshad bhai, please have this. All right, let's come. Okay, fine. Yeah, hello. You have to look at them, guys. You are looking very serious. Yeah, please take this. Ubaid. Okay, please, guys.
One member also. One member. Nitish, come.
Whatever the drama is going on, they are not looking at us.
Come. अरे मैं लेकिन तुमको इस पर
Oh my! No, you can laugh. Performers can laugh. Oh my!
स्टक करो यार.
I will have to give petrol. Where is petrol? Petrol.
Oh, it's a generator.
Yeah, it's a generator.
Oh, please look. Guys, you are looking here. You have to.
Be down. Huh?
What is this? What is this?
Yeah.
He is laughing, sir.
Now you guys have to look. Please tell. Camera person.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, Om has laughed, sir. Om has laughed. Sir, he laughed. No, sir, he laughed, sir. Actually, he was laughing, na? He was
Guys,
laughing.
be careful, guys.
He himself.
Be careful, guys. नहीं हंसना है. ये भी नहीं हंसा यार.
The activity was very funny actually. Why? I mean, how did you make it possible? Why didn't you laugh?
I was thinking for someone else. That's why.
How did you make it possible?
It's like seriousness, maintain seriousness.
How did you make it possible?
We have to win this activity because we are going to speak next.
My goodness. Now it is time for you to come here and make them laugh, guys. Yeah, who will? It's up to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So now I tell to real story, okay? And Vinita, and just observe. This is Barkat Bhai story, okay? Yesterday I visit his PG. I visited his PG, okay? So after that, hey, sir, they are looking downside, sir. So
Look
just
at him, please.
Arey, guys, this
have
side,
to
this side. Prashant. So
Look at him.
everyone looking down, sir.
And he camera person.
So just see, I am Barkat Bhai. He told to me, Karna, my stomach is so, that is, I want to go for this. But in bathroom, is there no water? Okay? He tried to like this. The Indian bathroom, you know, Indian bathroom. Okay? This is Indian bathroom, just imagine. Sir, our team, we are.
I said performers can laugh. I said performers can laugh.
Firstly, we have to clear our.
I said performers can laugh. You are not performers, guys.
Sir, we don't know about this.
So empower him, but don't laugh at
Sir,
him.
we don't know about this. We can laugh after doing our performance.
So react, but don't laugh. Please.
Sir, you have to watch after.
You guys are not cooperative. If you do like this, how can we perform, guys? I didn't see that. See, I'm again telling you, only performers can laugh here. Everybody should be sad. Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So just imagine I am Barkat Bhai. Just everyone look at it, not like that, okay?
Of course, look at Karna, guys. Yeah.
So
look,
he
look.
told me, Karna, I go to for this Indian toilet, okay?
Hey, Prasad.
Just imagine, guys, just imagine. He have like, lungi. After that, he told, Arey, just listen, just see. Sorry, everyone looking at us otherwise, okay? You know lungi? Indian bathroom. Is there no water? You open like that lungi, like this. Shashikant sir, Shashikant sir. So bathroom, imagine Barkat Bhai is opening this lungi, okay? He is opening lungi, but is there no water? He is sitting like this, okay? After that sitting, he completed everything, but he don't have water.
He doesn't have.
He doesn't have
He
any.
didn't have basket.
He didn't have water, but after that, he saw. Is there see?
No, it's not doing anything, right?
See, guys.
Everybody is serious.
Very serious.
What is the meaning of love? If we see normal as we are showing our teeth, it is not the meaning of love.
They are very clever, sir.
What is the meaning of love?
It is a smile, guys.
I
You
done,
have
sir.
to make, of course. Done? Oh my God, guys, you are. Everybody serious, guys. You couldn't make any one of them laugh. Guys, let me make it more, challenging, guys. If one person is lost, whole team will be lost, guys. Because if we go like this, it will take so much time. If any one of them is lost, the whole team will be lost and everybody has to go outside. Because we have other activities, right? So nobody has to laugh, please. Only performers can laugh to make the group laugh. Okay, who else can come here? No, from this side. From this side. Who wants? Hey guys, if you lose,
Sir, you have to see.
I will see actually.
Just you will बाथरूम बैठने का कोई नाटक करने के लिए
अरे he is really crying.
How can I see?
sit
He is crying really.
no brother just sit
Hey. What happened?
what happened bro
Hey, look at him. He's really crying. Nee.
Sir, we are going to perform.
Look at me. Look at me. You're not looking at me.
Sir, they are looking down.
Yes, actually. What is it?
I am going to perform sir hello sir
It's very bad. Okay. I was doing actually.
okay
I was doing. Now they have to. Yeah. Now look at them. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. Come on. No, it's smiling.
I told you that don't they pop here and there.
Oh my God.
Don't. And what kind of pop it is? What did you have?
What is this?
What is this mutter? Oh my goodness, you lost mutter.
Butter. Oh.
What kind of pop it is?
Yesterday I took butter.
Let me check your backside.
No. After that.
No. Prashant laugh. Prashant. No. At first Prashant laugh. Yes sir. Prashant.
Sir, before him, one person laughing from this side.
No.
1 second.
Sir, you can watch
If
it for
he laughed, why did you laugh?
Sir.
Simple thing. No doubt. No. I will read you.
We are making
Say
laugh.
no doubt he laughed.
But
Why you laugh? Why you laugh? Why did you laugh?
He just indicated.
He has video.
He just indicated.
You have video?
We didn't laugh, sir. We indicated.
We are indicating him.
No, sir. Nobody was.
They really laughed. When he laughed, they laughed.
You all laughed indicating me. Yeah.
I'm not lying. They were supposed to be out, but you guys started laughing. That's why they're not
Sir,
supposed
we
to
were
be
both
out.
laughing. We
Yes,
were
why not?
indicating and
Yes, you have to understand. I stand up again, guys. Stand up again. Of course. They were probable to be out, but now they can't. Please stand up. You did well. Why did you laugh then? If anybody laughs here, you have to tell only. Don't laugh. They were really probable to be outside, but you guys started laughing. I sided. Really? No, if I tell you are winners, then you should decide. You should be excited. Yeah, from this side. आप जो हो गया.
No.
Oh, he has fish here.
Sorry. No, sir. It is a water. Yeah, I pitched here. Sir, it is a water. Sir, we had still the chance.
No, it was done.
It's over.
Yeah. Oh my God, guys, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
ये नहीं है, जाइए ना. नहीं है, जाइए.
Oh my God.
I didn't see my.
Okay,
I didn't show my.
Let him continue.
what do you want?
Sir, I didn't show my teeth.
I don't have. Please go that
Sir,
side.
I didn't.
Sharu will decide. Sharu will decide.
Smile is enough. Smile is normal. I didn't see my.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Because you can't become a father. You know why? Because
What was this?
एक ही है तुम्हारे पास चलेगा? Oh my God! Now I have to do another activity. ये ला मैं नाची दे ना विनीता.
I don't have
What you don't have?
money.
I don't need money, Manita. You want to give me money?
घर की चाबी लेगी.
Look,
दे दे चाबी दे दे.
look at him. Look at him.
मिलेगी नहीं वापस.
दे दी जा.
Where? Arey, look at here. I'll
I know
see.
very
I'll
well.
see. I'll see.
I saw last night in where, you know.
I also saw you last night with some boys. You know, with 15 boys. You know how much characterless you
Oh my God, very good. Huh? I'm
are.
characterless.
Obviously. Just go.
मेरा भी एक, मेरा भी दो. Wow, it is very hard to make them smile, sir. एक कंचे के
It is tough to make somebody laugh, guys. It is easy to make people cry.
another will do something, right? Sir, okay, I'm okay.
Oh my goodness! Come here. Can you make anybody laugh?
Guys, just imagine this is my lungi. Okay. Last night I was sleeping. Yesterday was scorching hot. That's why I was sleeping on the floor. I was.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are winners! We can laugh.
We can laugh.
Make him go. Make him go. Three.